Product introduction. Touch screen. First use. Step 1. Remove the filter packaging. Install the new filter. Step 2. Fill the feed water tank. Don't exceed the maximum water level line. Step 3. After the system is powered on, it will automatically flush the filter. When the progress shows 50%, please pour out remaining water and refill the water tank with water. Step 4. The system will filter water into pure water tank. When the Waterdrop key flashes blue, place a container larger than 1.5 L, 52 ounces, and press the Waterdrop key to get water. Step 5. When pure water tank indicator _ lights on, please repeat the above step 4 again until the flushing of the 2 feed water tanks are completed, or the progress shows 100%. This step takes about 20 minutes in total, and it can be drunk normally after completion. Operation and settings. Step 1. Place a glass or cup on the drip tray. Step 2. Press the Waterdrop to wake up the screen, and press the key to select your desired water volume. Step 3. Press the key to select your desired temperature from the ambient temperature to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and select your desired temperature. Favorite mode settings. Press the Waterdrop key to wake up the screen. Hold the key 2 seconds to select your desired temperature and volume. The system will record your selected options. Instant water filling mode settings. Press the Waterdrop to wake up the screen. Hold the Waterdrop and keys for 3 seconds to refill the pure water tank until the pump indicator light off. High altitude settings. Hold keys for 3 seconds at the same time to start the high altitude setting mode. Press the key once to increase the temperature by 9 degrees Fahrenheit at a time. Press Waterdrop key to confirm. Filter replacement guide. Step 1. Turn counterclockwise and pull out to remove the old filter. Step 2. Remove the filter package and rotate the new filter clockwise and push downwards to the lock. Step 3. Hold the Waterdrop key for 5 seconds for filter reset. Step 4. Follow the screen display for flushing operation.